So we're backpacking the Grayson Highlands. We just came down, forget what the tallest mountain in Virginia is back that way. We didn't go up it, but we're enjoying a nice little ridge walk, and we're looking for somewhere to camp right now. So the kids are off looking. So they have wild ponies up here, and there's all these little rabbit trails. So we're just trying to find a place that we can set up camp for tonight, which would be pretty cool. And as cool as this $1 million campsite is right here, oh my gosh, it's just lovely. It's pretty in the wind, so I don't know if we want to stay here, but we're gonna keep looking. So it's been a little windy. We had some dinner earlier, and I was able to get a fire started, but it's starting to wind down. We ran out of wood, but we do have a beautiful campsite. You just walk out here, and you have this amazing view out over the Virginia Highlands. It's been a good day. Hard day, but it was a good day. It was fun. So we're gonna finish this 10-mile loop tomorrow. I think that's the plan. Not too bad at all. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
Was it cool seeing the ponies?
Yes. I don't know if I won, but yeah.
We'll see more tomorrow.
Yeah.
But the views are pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
So you want to try to hard charge it tomorrow and finish up this loop?
Yeah.
I know you do. You guys are good kids. I love yous. Like 5.
Okay.
So that's where we're sleeping tonight. Liz is already laying down with the dog. And the beautiful views. See you soon. Ponies walking through our campsite while we're eating breakfast, trying to pack up. Scratching his head. Oh, we're gonna get some butt scratches too. Reggie does not like the ponies. Good pony. So we're nearing the end of our hike. Probably just about a half mile to go. At the base of that mountain there is where we're parked. And we're just walking through this wide open, like, I guess you'd call it a bald, but, oh, I almost tripped. Yep, there's the cars, but this is the view that we're left with before we go. a solid 8.5, 9 miles, somewhere in that wheelhouse, getting it done. Kids did good. Reggie did good. I feel great, and it's good to be out again. So, but I'm ready to go get food. Real food, not backpacking food. Should be cool. Oh, and lucky for us, the ponies came to wish us off as they wait by the gate to say goodbye. Remember, don't pet, they bite. So, this is the wandering family from Delaware saying, thanks for watching. Until next time, good night, everyone. Oh, you're a pretty lady, aren't you? You just wanted to say hi. You just wanted to say hi. Is that your boyfriend? Did he do this to you? Hey, back. Easy. Come on. Come on, follow me. Here, come on, stay behind me.